In front of me is Honor for 100 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to tap on Biometrics and Password. Then select Lock Screen Password and hit Change Unlock Method to pick one of those: 4-digit PIN, custom PIN, pattern or password. Tap on a perfect one and create it. Then repeat it to confirm it, and when you finished, hit Done at the bottom right corner. If you wish to add a fingerprint, you can do that by choosing Add and following all of the instructions on your screen. If you don't, just hit Cancel. So now, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can set pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!